Precision Products started working with Georgia Tech, in particular the Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership, in 2009. And with help from Georgia Tech and Craig Cochran, who is our auditor, he was able to steer us and guide us through the maze of the ISO 9001 registration, and we achieved that registration later in 2009. Since obtaining that, we've been able to grow our business and expand into other markets. And then 2016, we became AS 9100 certified, which is an aerospace certification. This allowed us to diversify into the defense, aerospace, military markets, and we've continued to grow our business, expand our reach, and be able to supply products to new customers and new markets that we had not prior to becoming involved with Georgia Tech.